have rung the chapel bell. C'est la vie, say the old folk, 'cause you sure never can tell. They found a stop in the apartment with a two-rule box set. The curator was crowned with TV dinners and ginger ale. When Pierre found work, too little money come and work out well. C'est la vie, say the old folks, 'cause you sure never can tell. They had the hot phone, oh boy, did he let it blast. 700 little records and more rock, rhythm and jazz. When the sun went down, the rapid tempo of the music fell. C'est la vie, say the old folks, 'cause you sure you never can tell. They bought a souped-up chip, he was a cherry red 53. Drove it down to New Orleans to celebrate the anniversary. It was there the care was wedded to the lovely mademoiselle. C'est la vie, say the old folks, 'cause you sure you never can tell. It was a teenage wedding and the old folks wished him well. You could see that Pierre, he truly loved him, mademoiselle. And now the young monsieur and madame have rung the chapel bell. C'est la vie, say the old folks, 'cause you sure you never can tell. C'est la vie, say the old folks, 'cause you sure you never can tell. C'est la vie, say the old folks, 'cause you sure you never can